Hello and welcome to the Cabinet of Creations, where you refined horror, beauty and the perfectly imperfect. Hello and welcome to this video of scratch building. Let's make a desk tidy and start 2022 organised, or as much as we can be when we do craft stuff. So I've got some scraps of wood. Cut it into various shapes, bit of a Frankenstein box, but that's what I like. And then stick it together with PVA glue and some super glue. This is mostly hardboard and some thin plywood. And then to make it stronger, I put some cardboard brackets on and stuck those down with PVA. I used a cable tidy, which I thought could be great at housing a craft knife. And now rhinestones are always handy to create rivets. I wanted to create a real sort of rusty effect. It's going to sound so strange, I've always liked rust. I remember when I was doing a college project, I actually went down to one of our local scrap yards where I live with my camera and photographed some various basically bashed up cars, and the angles and the colour and the sort of damage that was caused were just like some sort of, I don't know, abstract painting, and I did actually paint from some of the photos as well on my course. So yeah, I just really, I don't know, it's almost like something old and rusty. You imagine it as being something fantastic and new and shiny when it was new, and then it's all dilapidated now and seemingly unloved, but not by me, because I love it. So let's just enjoy this process of using different variations of coloured orange and browns, and then getting in there with the blue and even a touch of silver. I hope to be doing more creations as well as my usual doll repaints, of course. So there'll be some scratch building, doll repaints, clay sculptures and anything else that happens to come along. I'll try and be organised this year, try and keep my desk a little bit tidier now I've got this desk tidy. Right, the other YouTubers that do all this sort of, how on earth do you have a pristine sort of viewing table where you've even got room for things like Halloween props and Christmas fairy lights to go round the edge, where I literally end up working on something the size of a postage stamp by the time I'm coming to the end of the project. I just don't, I need to take a leaf out of your guys' books and just, I don't know, somehow make it a 2022 miracle to have maybe an envelope size space for me to work on and not be so messy. But you know, the end results will still come out the same either way, so it just makes it easier for me if I'm organised. So we'll see. What do you reckon? Do you reckon I will? No. Oh, you have little faith. Just for that, you can hit the subscribe button. Go on. And while you're at it, you may as well look on my Amazon wish list as well. And also, I've got something called buymeacoffee.com/4creations. And this is where, if you like what I do and you appreciate the time, money, effort, and everything that goes into doing these different various creations on my channel, then you could donate, even if it's just a couple of quid. Anything really, really helps. It just will go all towards craft materials and new things that I want to try out this year, including some resin. But at least if you can just like and subscribe, that would just mean the world to me.